Another gbege don shele as society lady wey im name na Christabel die after going through plastic surgery. Na her friends talk am on top Twitter say the lady don dey complain of bleeding to the hospital where she do the surgery, and the clinic tell am say na normal post-surgery experience, say the bleeding go soon stop. Last, bleeding no stop oo. When im friends no come hear about am for many days, dem go look for am for the hospital where she do the surgery. The hospital come give dem letter say her body don dey for mortuary. Make una watch the video where the friends go follow the doctor drag the matter.
What result did you get that you are proud of? What result did you get that you are proud of?
Na similar thing happen some months ago for Miami in Florida for obodo oyinbo America after a 46-year-old woman go do Brazilian boot lift, wey be say the injection wey dem give am for yansh come cause kasala wey oyinbo dey call fat embolism. The thing wey surprise person be say the people wey do dis surgery na ogbonge for anything wey get to do with make woman get big bum bum, increase breast and comot big stomach. That is to tell us say nobody perfect for anything except God. If una enjoy dis gist, make una subscribe, like, share and comment so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey come.